All right, guys, last day ever at Sacramento Raceway. This is they got 3 lines to get in. It is a car show today also, so there's car show and then just fun runs. So I've never seen this many cars here at one time. It's backed out onto the street. So hopefully they said the limit was 250 tech cards or 150. 250 tech cards. So hopefully we get one of them and we don't get turned away. But yeah, from all the rain yesterday, I guess they are gonna run. So fun runs start at 10. So we're 9:45 in line here. Hopefully we can get in and get our tech card and find a spot and make some passes. Guys, well, this is it for Sacramento Raceway. Made our last pass. Wasn't a good one. It was just driver error. Mile per hour was pretty good at 127. I somehow bogged it off the line. The line lock didn't hold. I didn't press it down firm enough. It's just a whole new routine for me when I had it on the switch before. But anyway, we got the car show going on, and they're down to just one lane, so there's not enough time. So it's after 3 o'clock and the lane's all the testing's done at 4 o'clock. So there's no way I'll be able to get through the whole lineup again, make another pass before closing. So, but this car show and everything's going on. They got donut pit going over there. So really good turnout for the day. Last day, Sacramento Raceway, and this is it for the last time with the little 86 Fox body. Good mile per hour today, 127, and with the kind of rolling off the start, I don't think I let off the two-step. I was more concerned about bringing up on the RPM, and I think I forgot to let go of the button when I dumped the clutch. So anyway, I messed it up. It was 1198 at 127, so I'm sure we could have done the 130 if I had launched hard from the beginning, but it didn't work out that way. We kind of bogged it, and I'll post up. My wife's got footage too from the trackside, so I'll throw that up there and you can see how we bogged. All right, guys, gonna head home, man. It's almost Sunday afternoon, about 3:30.